Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Snowplow Analytics step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Snowplow Analytics. Press the enter key to load the website. Once the page opens, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type your password into the password field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. After filling in your credentials, review them for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your request. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your dashboard. In case of an error, ensure your email and password are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you're logged in, explore the features available to you. You are now ready to use Snowplow Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.